Welcome to another video on astrology. In this video, we will be seeing about the various combinations for a person to become a good teacher by profession. The thumb rule is that Jupiter should be linked to the second or the 10th house of your Rasi or Lagna, and Budan, that is Mercury, should also have a considerably favorable position by either aspecting the second house or being in the second house or also being the lord of the second house, like that. So both Jupiter and the Mercury should be related to the 10th on second house. So let's see one example. So the ascendant here is Cancer ascendant, and we have Jupiter here in Kumbha Rashi, and we have Mercury in the 10th house. So Jupiter will be aspecting the second house, and Mercury is in the 10th house. So this is a position for becoming a good teacher, because Jupiter is the planet that denotes knowledge, and when it gets related to the second house, it becomes more comfortable for a person to express the knowledge in whichever field he is expert at. And Mercury, denoting the planet for communication, and also Mercury is a planet that indicates writing or like speaking so that others are able to understand. Jupiter is having more knowledge, but to express the knowledge one needs Mercury. So when Jupiter is aspecting the second house here, and Mercury being the 10th house, makes this individual a favorable position to become a good teacher. Both Mercury and Jupiter should not be aspected or should not be in conjunct with malefics like Saturn, Rahu, or Ketu. And this example is an example of a government school teacher. He was working in a government school as an started his career as a teacher and went to the level of headmaster. So the person is born in Meena Lagna, that is Pisces ascendant, and Mercury was there in the first house with good directional strength, that is Digbala, and Jupiter here in Simha Rasi, and Sun, the planet indicating government, here exalted in the second house along with Venus. So this person was a very dedicated teacher in his life. Like whenever, like he does not teach just for money. Whenever he goes to a place or whatever he studies or reads, he just teaches people without any kind of expectation. The main reason for this is the planet Jupiter. Jupiter here, being the 10th lord, is aspecting the 10th house with his fifth house aspect and also aspecting the second house. Jupiter is one such planet that does not like to teach just because of money. It teaches just because for its own satisfaction, and also because of the reason that the person should get educated or get benefited. This person is a very good teacher, and he really loves to teach. We can also say that the sun is exalted here in the second house, which makes a person a very good, like voracious speaker also. He speaks very well. He can correlate things and expresses and put it in a very good order so that the students can understand it very well. So the sun being aspected by Jupiter makes him a government school teacher, and he has worked till the age of 60 and retired as a government school teacher. And one more point is that he was very interested in maths. This is because of the reason that Mercury in the first house, though debilitated, attains Digbala, that is directional strength. So this directional strength makes him a good person in maths, and he was a very good maths teacher indeed. And now let's see an example who is not teaching things as a teacher, but the profession for this person is to give various demo to doctors so that the doctors actually like their product and uh, they prefer to buy their product. This person is working in an biomedical company, uh, a company that sells biomedical equipments like ultrasound scans, etc. And this person is an application engineer. She has to go to hospitals and teach the doctors about how to use these ultrasound machines. Salesperson will actually try to see the importance of the product and work out the costings of with various competitors. But this person is just teaching how the product has to be used to the doctors. So he has exalted Venus in the 10th house, aspected by Jupiter, and the Sun is actually here, and the Jupiter is retrograde here. So the 10th Lord aspecting the 10th house is a very good position for the career, and the 5th Lord being in the 10th house exalted is actually very good in terms of having a very good career for a long duration of time. So Jupiter being the planet for teaching is aspecting the 10th house, and the Jupiter aspecting the 10th house improves the quality of the 10th house. So this makes a person a good demonstrator, because for this person Mercury was here. Mercury was not actually related to the second house. Mercury was aspecting the third house, and though third house also has some connection with the communication, the second house was unaspected by either Jupiter or Mercury. The second house was not having any connection with these two planets. And despite the Lord of the second house was here along with Saturn. So this person did not go directly in teaching but is demonstrating products in which she is working in. And apart from Jupiter and Mercury getting connected with the second and the 10th house with the Rasi and the Lagna, to determine what subject the person teaches, we need to find out which is the next planet that is much more related with the 10th house or placed in the friendly sign. And we have Moon, exalted Moon aspecting Mars. And we have Sun also. Let's say the ascendant is Kumbhalagna, and the Mercury is in Libra, that is in the house of Venus. So here the second Lord Jupiter is in its Mula Trikona, and Mercury is in the 10th house, and this person is actually a biology teacher because Mars is placed in its own sign along with the Sun and aspected by the exalted moon. And this moon is also a full moon. And this person is a very good biology teacher. He is actually teaching for competitive exams for biology. So the major thumb rule is that with the moon sign or the ascendant, Jupiter and Mercury should be related either in the second house or in the 10th house. So that is the thumb rule. And if any person having this combination will be much more interested in teaching.